My friends, I found a new platform that gives you access to generate good AI videos like this. It has AI models like Grok AI, like Seedance, like Clinks, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Now, you're going to head onto your browser and type oiioii.ai, just as you're seeing here. It's going to load, and once it's loaded, it's going to open into this beautiful interface, as you can see. Once you open into this beautiful interface, the next thing you do is to sign in with your email. Once you are signed in, you're going to switch to desktop mode, just as I'm doing here. As you can see, I switched it to desktop mode. Okay, once you switch, it's going to give you this interface. Then you tap on this start creating. Once you tap on start creating, it's going to open another beautiful interface for you. You're going to see this interface just as you're seeing it here. A director is telling you that you're now a new director. So now that we're here, we're going to be creating our video. Okay, good. You see this drag or paste the image here. You're going to be pasting your prompt there. Okay, so the first thing to do is to paste your prompts. Okay, as you can see, I've already pasted the prompt. Now you tap on this plus sign to paste the image you're going to use. Okay, I selected mine from photo library. So I've already created the image and the dialogue down already. You can watch my previous video if you want to learn how to do that. Now you tap on script, it's going to show you this interface. You would go back, we are not using anything, and then you tap on the next icon. This is what it will show you, the skills. If you tap on the next icon, it's also going to show you some video styles in case you want to use some other videos. If you now tap on the second icon, it's going to show you different AI models that this platform has. For the image, these are the AI model it has. Then for the videos, these are the AI model it has. It has Seedance, it has Sora, it has One, it has Clink AI, it has Grok, it has a lot of AI model. Look at it. It has vidIQ, it has Pixfire, Clink, it has Awilo. So we're going to be using Grok Imagine for this video. Okay, now once you tap on the next icon, it's going to show you the style library. These are the various styles you can use to create your video. You can create cartoon videos, you can create Gumby videos, 3D characters. If you tap on the next icon, this is what it will show you. Then this last icon, if you tap on it, to show you your aspect ratio, your duration, your resolution. So it's for you to select. Once you are done selecting, you tap on that arrow to generate your video, and immediately your video would start generating. It does not even take up to a minute. Your video would be generated. Once your video finishes generating, the next thing for you to do is to watch it and save it into your phone, and you're good to go. Now let's watch what we just made.
Mommy, I need to tell you something.
I'm here. Tell me the truth.
You can see how beautiful the video is. Now if you have any question, do also drop it in the comment section. I'll see you in my next tutorial. I love you all.
Mommy, I need to tell you something.
I'm here. Tell me the truth.